Hello guys, I'm Sindri Titlefsen and welcome to episode 8 on this third-person shooter game tutorial. This episode we're going to go through the non-playable character. We're going to create a non-playable character and include them to our screen, just like this guy here. The first thing you need to do is to download a program called Adobe Fuse CC. It's free to download. So just go to Google and search it and download it. When you open Adobe Fuse CC, you will be prompted with this window. Here you are going to first assemble a 3D model. So just pick a head. So we pick female fit A. Then pick a torso. We pick female fit A. Then pick legs, I will pick female fit A. And then arms, so female fit A. And now you have assembled a character. So the next thing you can do is to go to customize and customize every part of the character if you want. When you're finished with the customization, you can just go to clothing, and I want this to have a police uniform. So tops, I will pick the long sleeve police uniform, and at the bottoms I will have the police uniform. Shoes, I will pick maybe these men. So yeah, let's go for the boots. And hair, here you can select the hair, so maybe alpha long hair, like this. And hats, if you want to have a police hat, you can do it here. And the eyewear is sunglasses, and beards, gloves, masks, and mustache. So when you're finished, you can just save your character. So I will save it as Emma, and then press this button, send to Maximo. Our character is now in Maximo. So just click finish here and animate. The first animation we want is the idle animation. So search for idle and pick idle. Okay, just click download and pick the FBX for Unity and have width scale. What I'm going to do now is just go to my desktop and create a folder named Emma. Okay, I will save this file in my Emma folder. Now I also want the texture, so I will go to Collate and download. Okay, open this zip folder, take the textures and put in the Emma folder. Next I want walk. So look at this one. And select the in place and download. And now I don't need the skin because I had the skin previously. And select FBX for Unity. Save this file to the Emma folder. I also want to run. So download that one, put in place and download run without skin. Next animation is terrified. Download that one without skin. And we want die. So I pick this shot to the chest falling backwards. We also need sitting. So I will have this sitting and impatiently waiting. Okay, now we have downloaded the files we need. Let's go to the Emma folder. And these are the files that we're going to import into Unity. So let's just go to NPC folder in assets, create it if you don't have it, create a new folder, and I will call it Emma, and drag and drop textures, and all the animations also. And this is a bug in Unity. It doesn't handle to import it, so hit Ctrl Alt Delete, Task Manager, and it says that it doesn't respond, so quit the task and then start Unity. Open your project. And now if you look into the Emma folder, you can see that the animation has been added. Okay, let's take the rest. Running, sitting, walking, terrified. Okay, we have everything now. So I want Emma to be sitting at this chair, and she's going to talk with our character. So what I'm going to do is drag and drop Emma into this, and you can see that she looks a bit, how can I say, malformed, but no worries. If we go into the Emma, we can see that she has a body. If we go to inspector, it's the body material holding the body. So let's open Emma idle, and you can see here we have body mat, which is the body for Emma. So we need to drag and drop it onto Emma. So in order to do that, we need to extract them. So I extract them by marking them and pressing Ctrl D. And of course Unity can't handle this, so we have to do the same. Task Manager. Yeah. You know the drill, guys. Doesn't respond. Why? I don't know. I have a Core i5. I have 16 gigabytes of memory. I have SSD disk, so yeah, I have no idea. GeForce GT 1030, so not sure why, but it doesn't respond, so yeah, just quit task, start Unity. Okay, head into the ammo folder. So we got the body mat, but we're missing the rest. We need this also, bottom mat, I'm sorry. Extract that one. Unity doesn't respond. Quit task, start Unity again. Okay, into the ammo folder. Next one is hair mat. Ctrl D. Unity doesn't respond. Oh, now it's not responding. Quit it. Start Unity. Okay, into the ammo folder. Next texture is hat mat. Ctrl D. Can it make it? No, it didn't. I think only two textures left. Two materials, I'm sorry. Yeah, shoes mat and top mat left. So shoes mat. Doesn't respond. End task. Into ammo folder, and the last one, top mat. Ctrl D. Doesn't respond, quit task, and start again. So now we're finished with extracting. So here is our Emma character. Let's go to the NPC and Emma and click her body. And if you click this body mat first and go for inspector, we need the rendering mode to be OPQ. Not sure how to pronounce it, so do that for all of them. Okay, so did not respond again. Oh, it's really buggy now. So I think there should be a method to show like why it's not responding. It's just not responding, but why? What is the error message? Okay, let's try again. Inspector. So we have managed to get all of them in rendering mode, OPQ. We go to the body of Emma and see that she has body mat. So we drag and drop body mat into her body. We go to bottoms and it's bottom mat. So we drag and drop bottom mat to her bottom. And the next is hair. So we drag and drop hair mat to our hair. Then it's hat mat. And then it's shoes, so we drag shoe mat. And then the last one is the top mat. So already she looks a lot better. So I'm just going to put all of this to Git for my backup. Okay, so it's very important to just use Git for the backup when you're satisfied with something. Now we're going to give Emma an animation if she doesn't have one. Let's see. We press play. So she's just standing there, so let's give her an animation. So the way to do that is just to select Emma idle, down here, Emma dying, all of these, and we're going to extract the animations from them. So the small arrow and dying, Control D, and for idle, we will extract animation, idle, and from running, we will extract running, sitting, extract, verified, extract, walking, extract. So if we look at inspector for each of them, we can say that it has something named loop time, and it will actually make the animation loop, so it will never end. So if we select Emma now and go for the animator, so if we select Emma and put the animation idle on her, and then go to animator, we can see the entry will be idle. So if we play now, she should have the idle animation. And as you can see, she has, or she's quite large compared to my character. So let's reduce her size, 0.9 maybe. Okay, but we wanted her to sit, we didn't want her to be idle. So we'll move her in the place of the chair. And we go to animator, and we'll have the sitting animation. So right click and set as default layer. So if we press play now, she will actually sit. So now she looks too tiny, so let's increase her size. maybe 95, 95. Oh, maybe we just need to have one, or decrease the size of the chair. Yeah, we actually need to decrease the size of the chair for Emma. So decrease it to 0.9. Yeah, and now she's sitting. So let's move her a bit closer to the chair, like this. And it looks actually pretty good. So next episode, I think we're going to have some interaction with her. So when we go to her, we can press E maybe or something, and she would tell us to go to the chief's office to talk with the boss. I also want to have interaction with this guy named Douglas that I downloaded from the same site, and he's going to say to me that he needs help with his computer or something. So the mission will be go up, speak with the chief. So we need to make another character, which is a chief, and he's going to be in his office here, and he's going to command us to go to a helicopter that stands up in that roof. So for next episode, make a door here and make an access to the roof. So we'll, after some time, make a helicopter that stands there and flies us to the mission. So stay tuned for next episode.